The future doesn't always arrive quietly. Sometimes, it rolls in with sharp edges, raw power, and a design that shocks the world. This is the Tesla Cybertruck. Welcome back RevRito Auto, a machine that doesn't just break the rules, it rewrites them. The first time you see the Cybertruck, it feels unreal. Ultra-hard stainless steel body, geometric lines, and a shape that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. No curves, no compromise. Just bold angles and pure intention. It doesn't try to fit in with traditional trucks, it stands apart, unapologetically different. But this truck is more than just its design. Underneath that futuristic shell is serious electric performance. Instant torque, lightning-fast acceleration, and a dual or tri-motor all-wheel drive setup that delivers unbelievable control. Press the pedal, and you don't wait for power, it's there immediately. Smooth, silent, but incredibly aggressive. The Cybertruck proves that electric doesn't mean weak. It means smarter. It means faster response. It means dominating both highways and rough terrain without burning a single drop of fuel. With impressive towing capacity and strong payload capability, it handles real work while still feeling like a vehicle from the future. And then there's durability. The exoskeleton is built for strength, designed to resist dents and damage. It's not just about looking tough, it is tough. Whether you're navigating off-road trails, construction sites, or open desert highways, this truck is engineered to handle extreme conditions. Step inside, and the minimalistic interior changes the game again. A clean dashboard, a massive central touchscreen, and a yoke-style steering wheel create a cockpit that feels advanced yet functional. There are no unnecessary buttons, no distractions, just technology and control. It's a space built around innovation. The Cybertruck is not just transportation. It's a statement. It represents bold thinking. It represents risk-taking. It represents a future where power and sustainability move together. It challenges what a pickup truck should look like, how it should perform, and what drivers should expect. Imagine cruising at night, city lights reflecting off that stainless steel body. The quiet hum of electric motors as you glide forward. People turn their heads, trying to understand what they're seeing. Because the Cybertruck doesn't blend in, it dominates attention. And when you take it off the road, the advanced suspension and all-wheel drive give you confidence. Rough terrain feels manageable. Obstacles feel smaller. You're not just driving a truck, you're commanding advanced technology designed to push limits. This is for the ones who don't want ordinary. For the ones who believe the future should look different. For the ones who want performance without compromise and design without fear. If you love powerful automotive stories and next-generation machines like this, make sure you subscribe to RevRito Auto. Here, we don't just talk about vehicles, we bring their character, their innovation, and their attitude to life. This is not just a pickup.
ਓਏ ਸ਼ੇਰਾ ਮੂਰੇ ਮਾਰੇ ਮੜਕਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸੋਪਣ ਕਤੀਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ